Hello everyone, this is part 49 of our playlist, Full Stack Python. Okay, so this is not just a video, this is a training course. This is what? A training course. In this training course, we are learning theory in depth, as well as we are learning programs in depth. Okay, also we are solving some HackerRank problems. Meanwhile, okay, then after this module, like once we understand theory, programs, and HackerRank problems, then we implement our project. Then we will implement our project, okay, based on the knowledge, whatever knowledge we gain throughout the journey, we will implement our projects, and that project we will upload on GitHub. Okay, and that GitHub repository link we will upload, we will mention in our CV, so that our HR can see our work. Okay, whenever we send our resume or CV for job, okay, so your HR can see your project work. we will mention we will mention our GitHub repository link in our CV. Okay, for example, if you are saying I'm a full stack Python developer, so it's mean there should be work done by you. So we will showcase our work also as a project. Correct? I hope you are clear. All right. So in today's video, we are going to learn about set operations. See here, set operations. So first we have union. Okay, set or other. See, return a new set with element from the set and all others. So what is the mean of it? For example, we have set A, okay, and we have set B. So what is the A union B, or we can write this A, this pipe symbol, B. This means A union B. A union B means like all the elements of A and all the elements of B combined in a single set, and there should not be any duplicate element. For example, see, let me open ideally. Okay, so what is the full form of ideally? Integrated Development Learning Environment. Ideally, okay. Okay, so here we will execute our program. So this is A equals to, we have 10, 20, and 30. Correct? This is one set. This is A set, and we have another set B equals to 40, 50, and 60. All right. So we have two sets. One set is A having some element like 10, 20, 30, and B set also having some element 40, 50, and 60. If I say what is the A union of A union and B, so C equals to A union B. Here C containing the union operation of set A and B. Okay. So if I print A, okay, and B and C, and separate this by separate this by for example backslash n. Okay, new line will change after each. So if I print, so this is the A set, and this is B set, and this is C set. Okay, all the elements combine in a single set. Okay, but order set is what? Set is a distinct collection of, okay, there is no specific order in set. Distinct collection of element. Okay, there is unordered collection. Okay, we can say set is a unordered collection. Okay, so order doesn't matter here. See, okay, so for example, why we cannot reflect operation on the original set. That's why we are taking another set C, because set is immutable, but we cannot perform changes on the changes on what original set, because union operation is what type? This union operation is immutable type. Immutable means no changes. Okay, same as string. Correct? If I say, for example, x equals to, we have some element like 1, 2, 3. Okay, and y equals to, we have some element like 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we have how many sets we have? We have two sets, x and y. X and y, correct? And if I do union, like we have another set called z. Okay, z set containing 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Like that, we can take any example. Okay, or even we can increase more. 9 also is there. So if I union of, if I say like p equals to, if I say p equals to x union y union z. So this pipe symbol is also work as a union. Okay, so x is a set, y is a set, and z is a set. Okay, so in set, when you do union operations, means all the elements of set A, all the elements of set A, and all the element of set B, and all the element of set Z will come, but no duplicate elements will come. Okay, no duplicate elements are allowed in set. Okay, so if I print P, so what will happen? P set contain only unique elements, only unique element. There is no duplicate element. See, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 is there, so it is not taking 1, 2, 3 from here. Here it is taking 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 is already taken, 5, 6 is already taken, so it will take 8, 9. Okay, so like that one set is created. Correct? I hope you are getting. Okay, for example, we have S1 equals to set A, B, C. So this is what type of data? This is what type of data? This is string type of data. So we are converting this string type of data into what set. Okay, so each different character is stored inside the set. Okay, if I print S1, so see what is data? It is stored like this. Okay, how many elements are there? 3 elements. Okay, for example, we have S2. S2 is also another set containing a string object like A, B, C, D. Okay, and if I perform union, S3 equals to S1 dot union. Okay, and here I will write S. Okay, here I will write S2. And here, what is the mistake here? S is small. And here I will, okay, this is fine. Okay, I can take it capital also. So what will happen? Here ABC is there and ABCD is there. So what is the S3 value? S3 value will be ABC and D. Okay, because no common element should be there. If I print S3, if I print S3, so it will print like D, C, A, B. Because order doesn't matter, so it can follow the random order. This is what? Random order. Set follows random order. Okay, getting everyone? Please keep remember. Okay, now we have HackerRank problem. We will discuss this HackerRank problem. See here. Let me open this link. Okay. As I told you, like we will follow HackerRank problems also. We will solve the HackerRank problem. See what is union? The union operation return the union of a set and the set of elements in iterable. Correct? Sometimes the pipe operation, like this pipe operation operator, is used in place of union. In place of writing union, you can use this. Okay, but it operates only on the set of element in set. Okay, set is immutable to the union operation. Set is immutable for union operations. Otherwise, set is mutable. Okay, so we talk about union operations, so set is immutable. Correct. For example, we have S equals to hacker. So it will and we have union rank. If I'm doing S union rank, so this particular set will come. Okay. See what is our task. What is our task? So here is a task you can read. The student of district college have subscription of have subscription to English and France newspaper. Okay, you can understand. You can read this problem by your own your task, and this is the input format you can take. You can understand this input format. Okay, integer and okay. And let me write the code so you can understand what is the mean. I will provide the link of this notes in the description. You can download this notes. Okay. So see the sample input. So for example, if I enter value, n value is 9. So it should take how many value? 9 value. If I enter 9, so it should take again 9 value. And then output should be 13. Why output is 13? See, explanation. Roll numbers of students who have at least one subscription. For example, we have these roll numbers. Okay, these we have these subscriptions and roll numbers are this 1 to 8 are in both set. Okay, are only counted once. Hence, the total is 13 students. So what is it saying? We have two sets. We have two sets. Okay, one is one is for English and second one is for French newspaper, English newspaper and French newspaper. Okay. Okay, in order to better understanding, let me read the task for you. Like the students of district college have subscription of English and French newspaper. Some students have subscribed only to English. Some have subscribed to only French, and some have subscribed to both newspaper. Okay, how many newspaper we have? We have English newspaper. Okay, we have English newspaper and we have French newspaper. Okay, French newspaper we have. Okay, you are given two sets of students roll numbers, one set containing a student roll number, one set has subscribed to English newspaper and the other set is subscribed to the French newspaper. Okay, the same students would be in both set. Your task is to find total number of students who have subscribed to at least one newspaper. Okay, so our task is to find those students who have subscribed at least one newspaper. Like if they are present in this and in this also, so we have to find out the common, like we have to find out all the students who are present here and here, like unique elements. So what we will do, we will do union operation here. Union operation, we will combine two set with the help of union operation. See now what should be the input. Okay, the first line contain an integer n, the number of students who have subscribed to the English newspaper. The second line contains an space separated roll number of those students. The third line contains b, the number of students who have subscribed to the French newspaper. The fourth line contains b space roll number of those students. For example, if I giving here n value is 4, so it means I can enter four values like 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, and 1. Like four values I can enter, but I have to give input in a single line. This is what in a single line. Then I will split each input and convert into what integer. I will split each input with the help of split function, and I will convert the type of each input with the help of int conversion. So in order to reduce the typing again and again int conversion, I will write here map. Okay, inside map I will apply integer function to all this data. Correct. So see what we had to do now. Let's see the code. Okay. Okay. If we have two sets, we have two sets. Like see, this is one set and this is another set. Okay. So we have to count the common elements, like not common elements, like all the unique elements in both sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So 6 we will not consider because it is in set A. Okay, and 8 is also there, and 21 is not there, and 11 is not there, 3 is there, 2 is there, and 1 is there. Okay, so now how many elements are there? 9 element is here, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So what is the total length of these two sets is 13. So 13 is our output. Okay, this is 13 is our output. So first what we will do first. So what we will do first. Okay, let's write the code. So we try to write the code for the same. Okay, first we will take input from the user. Okay, first we will take input from the user, like n equals to input. Okay, so input function return what type of data? Integer, string type of data. So I will convert this data into what? Integer. Then I will say enter what? Enter these n values. So with the help of input function, he can enter. Okay, so what I will do here, I will write here, like I will write here s1 equals to I will write here input. Okay, all the input come in a single line, and with the help of space, okay, I will split the input. I will write here split, and if you will not give any value, so it will split based on the space. Okay, so for example, we have this data, this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that we have this input. So I will separate each value based on space. Based on space, I will split each values and convert these all values into the string, all value into the integer. Okay, all value I will convert into what? Integer. Okay, so how, for example, these are 9 value. If I will not use map function, so 9 time I have to write integer type conversion function. So in order to reduce what we can say, improve the efficiency, so I will write here map. What I will write here, map function I will use map. Okay, and here I will give integer function. I want to apply integer function, okay, on this input. So this is how I can apply, and then I will write close, and this should be converted into what? Set. Okay, because there should be unique values. So with the help of set, With the help of set function, I can convert this data into what set. Same here, I will take another input. For example, this other set length, like how many values you want to enter. Like I will write n1 equals to int and input. Input return what type of data? String type of data. Input return what type of data? String type of data. Okay. Then s2, I will again ask like give me we will take input in a single line like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is a single line. So I will split each input. Okay, because with the help of input function, you can take one input at a time. But how many input you want to take at a time? Multiple inputs. So we will use ninja technique of split function. Okay, we will use split function. So we will write here what we will write input to take input from the user. I will write here input. Okay, and I will split the input based on the space. So I will write here split. Okay, so this input function, this return splitted value but string form. So I will convert into what? Integer form. So I will apply map integer function to all. So with the help of map, I can apply integer function to all data. Then I will convert this all data into what? Set. Because on set only we can perform union operation, not on list. We cannot perform list. We cannot perform union operations on list. Okay. So how I can apply union? So I will take here s3. S3 equals to I will write here. What I will write s1 dot union. Okay, spelling is correct. Yes. S2 small S2 correct. So S3 is implemented. So if what I have to print, I have to print now length of S3. So what I will do, how can I check the length of S3? How can I check the length of S3? I will write here print and length of S3. Okay, let me run the code whether error is there or is submitted successfully or not. Okay, our code is successfully submitted. Now, not submitted, sorry, what I'm saying. Our code successfully executed. Now we will submit our code. Okay, and we will check whether test cases is passed or not. So it will take a little time. Okay, congratulations, our code has been submitted. Okay, all the 5 cases passed successfully. Right? Okay, and here is the solution. Here is the solution of that HackerRank problem. Okay, and here is the link. You can check the problem by this link, and here is the solution. You can check out. Okay, everyone, please download the notes and try to study with notes as well. Okay, and practice is the key of success in Python full stack development or any programming language. Correct. So now we will discuss about intersection, set, and others. Return a new set with elements common to the set and all others. So, for example, we have a set A and we have another set B. So whatever common elements there between A and B, so it will only take common elements. Like for example, if A set equals to have 1, 2, and 3, okay, and B set containing 3, 4, and 5. So if I say A intersection B, so what is the A intersection B is 3, because 3 is only common element between two sets. Okay, and in programming we write A intersection B, or we can use ampersand symbol. Okay, for example, let me test this commands as well so that you can better understand all that. So I will write here A equals to we have 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, correct. And B equals to we have 10, 20, like 60 and 70, and then we have 80, correct. So how many sets we have? We have two sets containing some elements. Okay, if I ask you like set is what type, so you will say set is mutable type. And if I ask you like what are the uh, set containing elements is mutable or immutable, then you will say set elements of the set is immutable. Then if I ask you like what order set follows, so you can say random order set follows. Okay, correct. So for example, if I want to do intersection between two sets, so what I will write here, A intersection, and then what I will write B. we cannot perform changes on original set. So what I will do here, I will store this result into one another set called C. Correct? So A intersection B. This is what immutable operation. Intersection B is what immutable operation. Okay. If I print C, what will happen? So what is the common in two sets? Is 10 common? Yes, 10 is common, 20 is common, 30 is not common, 40 is not common, 50 is not common. So what's the result? 10 and 20. See, when I press enter, so what is the result? 10 and 20. Hope you are getting. Okay, same here. Same here. We have set S1 and we have set S2. Okay, we have set S3. Okay, so you can use ampersand symbol also. So whatever common in between three sets, so it will present. So 5 is common in between 3. Out of 3, we have 5 elements. 5 element is common. Now we will see like some HackerRank problem based on intersection. Based on intersection. Okay. So here is also definition and everything is there. So what is the sample input? 9. Okay. And we have to take input from the user, and here we also have take. So this is what 9 is a limit of set, like how many values set will contain. So this is one set, and this is the limit of second set, and this is the second set. And what we have to do, we have to check how many common elements are there in this set. So 1 is there and 1 is also here. 2 is also common, 3 is also common between two sets. Okay. 4 is not common, 5 is also, 6 is common. Okay, 7 is common. So we have to give the length of total common elements. Okay, so how we can write the code? You can read the problems as well. No issue. Okay, so the understanding code is also important. So how we can take input from the user, like limit of the set. See here, first I will take this number, this number. Okay, first I will take this number from the user n value. Okay, so n equals to, I will take input. Okay, so input return what type of data? String type of data. That's why I will convert this data into what? I will convert this data into integer. So I will write here integer. Why I am not using map function? Because we are talking about single value. We are taking single digit value. Then when we talk multiple values in a one line, then we will use split and map. Split is for splitting each value based on space, and map is for applying or convert each value string to what? Integer. So here I will take the values from the user. For example, s1 equals to, let's see, I will take input from the single line. So using input function, then I will split the data based on space. Then I will apply integer function to each value. So I will write map here, and which function you want to apply, you will mention int. Okay, and you can this. So this should be set type. So I will use set function. So here I will write set. Okay, and inside bracket I will put this, and now you will store this data in, like say, s1. Okay, this line is completed. Here till here we have completed our code till here. Now we have to write code for this also. So we will take n2 limit first to int and input. Correct. Now we will take multiple data in a single line. So what we will write here? I will write here. Okay. So first I will write here input, because input function, with the help of input function we can take input from the user. Then what I will write here is split, because I will split the data based on space. Then what I will do? I will write here map. Okay. And integer function apply to all elements. Okay, all elements means like 10, 1, 2, these all elements converted into what? Integers. Okay, and I will store this, and I will convert this data into what? Into set. And I will store this set data inside a variable called s2. S2 equals to. Okay, then what I will do? I will write here, I will perform intersection. Intersection, why? Because I have to check the common element length in both set, in two sets. So what I will write here, I will write s1 intersection, or either intersection you can write simply n%. Okay, and here you can write what you can write here, like p equals to, you can say. Okay, then what I will do, I will print length of p, len, and p. Correct. So if I run the code, what will happen? See whether error is there or not. So congratulations, test case is fast. And if I submit the code, so will it submit or not? Let's check. Test cases is submitted. Test cases is executing. Okay, everyone, please wait. And also, okay, congratulations, our code is submitted successfully. Okay, everyone, it's your responsibility to write code by your own, and whatever code you write here, just copy that code and paste in what comment section of this video, so that I can go through with your code and I can show your consistency. Okay, if you are consistent here in this video lecture, so please show your consistency by putting code in the comment section below. Correct, everyone, and you can download the notes from the description. This is freely available. I'm not charging any single rupee from you for this notes and or this video. Okay, just learn. The main objective is you can learn. Okay, and here is the code. Okay, this is a code you can practice later. Okay, and this code you can paste in comment section. If you are really serious to become full stack Python developer, then only you can do this. If you are not serious, then no issue. See, if we talk about difference, okay, so return a new set with elements in the set that are not in the other. So what's the mean of it? What's the mean of it? For example, we have A equals to this set and B equals to this set. Okay, the difference means if I'm saying A difference B, so discard all the elements in set A what are present in set B. For example, what I'm trying to say here, for example, A equals to 1, 2, and 3, and B equals to what? B equals to 2, 3, and 4. And if I say A minus B, okay, equals to what will happen? So A minus B means what we are saying minus B element from A. So B element is what 2 and 3 which are present in set. So we will cancel this element and then print element of set A. So only one will print here. Correct. So what is the difference between here? So what are the we have to delete B element from the set A. So 3 is present in B, so it will delete from here. And 4 is present here, so 4 is also deleted from set A. 5 is also there, so 5 is also deleted. Okay, so how many elements are there? 1 and 2. Correct. Here you can write like this: A dot difference B. Okay. Okay. If I print A set, so this is the A set. If I print B, so this is the B set. Okay. If I print C containing what? Difference of A comma B means all the element of B, whatever element in B, just delete B element from set A. So what's the output? After that, what is the output? 1 and 2. Okay. For example, see, we have Python. In Python, we have students like NK, Suresh, Kishore, and Ajesh. In Java student, we have Ramesh, Raman, and Kishore and Suresh. Okay. And if we want to like delete, if we want to delete Java students, we only want Python students. So what we will write? Python student dot difference, and here we will write Java students. So all Java students will remove from the Python students. Okay, so if I write Python, if I will print all the sets, so this is the first set, this is the second set, and these are the Python students only. This is Python students only Java students. So what you will do, you will write Java dot students minus Python students, means remove all the Python students from the Java set. Okay, so what will happen when I print Java? So Raman and Ramesh will print. Okay, if we talk about symmetric difference. So here is the symbol of symmetric difference. Return a new set with elements in either the set or other, but not both. Okay, for example, we have a set A equals to some elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we have another set called B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And if we write here, okay, if we write here C equals to A symmetric difference B. What is symmetric difference? For example, if I print A set, so this is the A set, and if I print B set, so this is the B set. Okay. For example, we will count only element which is either present in set A or present in set B, but it should not be in both set. It should not be there in both set. So 2 is there, but 2 is not there. So we will take 2. 1 is there, but 1 is not there. So we will take 1 here. Okay, check 3. 3 is there, but 3 is also there. Then we will discard the 3. 4 is there and 4 is there. 4 we will discard. 5 is there. 5 is there. We will discard 5. Then we will take 5, 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is there. Correct. And here we have a HackerRank problem based on this. Okay, let me write the code for this problem as well. Okay, this is a training course, so you will see hackers rank problem as well, and simple problems and difficult problem, all types of problem you will see throughout this journey. So don't worry about it. Just fasten your seatbelt and move forward in this journey. Okay, so what is our sample out? For example, if I write here 4, so size of set a size m equals to 4. Set size is 4. If I write here 4, so here size is 4. Correct? And b equals to, we have this elements. And sample output is what? 5, 4, 5, 9, 4, 11, 12. 5, 9, 11, 12. So 5 is there, but 5 is not there. So we will print 5. Okay. 4 is there and 4 is there. So we'll discard 4. Then 2 is there and 2 is there. So we'll discard 2. 9 is there, but 9 is not there. So we will print 9. Okay. 12 is there, but 12 is not here. So we will print 12 here. Correct. So this is what symmetric difference. We have to write code for this. For this what? For this problem. So let's take the sample input. There is a sample input. Here is a sample input. So first we will take n value. So n equals to int. I will write here input. Correct. And then what I will take? I will take value of one set. So I will write here. What I will write here? Input and split. Then apply integer function to all. With the help of map, I can apply int. Okay, like this, and convert this into what set, so that duplicate elements should remove from this set. Okay, and I will store this some variable called as well. Okay, same here for this input. For this input, I will take another n, take n1 equals to int. Then I will write here input, correct, and then I will write here s2 equals to set, s2 equals to set. Then I will write map here, and then I will write here what, and then I will write here int, because I want to apply input function on input. Okay, in dot split. Okay, hope you are getting everyone. Okay. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to print the symmetric difference of this set. So what I will write here, I will write here s equals to, I will write here s1 minus s2. S1. Okay, what we have to do, we have to perform symmetry. So what is the symbol? This symbol we can use, cap symbol. So instead of other system, I will use this cap system and s2. Okay. Then what I will do, I will print s3 element. I will print s3 element, but not like this. I will use for loop for value in s3. Okay. Then I will print value. Okay. Correct. If I run the code, so what will happen? Okay. Sample output is wrong. If I remove the loop, so what will happen? Okay. We don't need to iterate because set is also containing data, so it will print. Okay. Again, error. Let me check the error. Okay. See, this is what 5, 9, then 11, then 12. So this is set order or sorted order. This is the sorted order. See everyone. See the requirement. Ascending order. See output the symmetric difference integers in ascending order, one per line. Okay, as usually we know, set input is output is what type? Unordered type. So what we will do here? What we will do here? We will convert our set into what? Into list. So how we can convert? I will write here like S4. I will write here. Then I will write list object, and I will write here 3. Okay, then only we can use. Then only we can use what? If I calculate the length of this, then we can sort the list. We cannot we cannot sort the set, but we can sort the list. So here I will write like s5 equals to, I will write here s5 equals to s4 dot sort. Okay, you can write more efficient program. Then what I will do, I will use for loop here for I in range. Like what I will write here s5, correct. Then all values should be correct. Now it is what order? Ascending. Okay, this is a meaningful order. And instead of I will write here value, correct. Now let me run the again error. Okay, let me write here proper syntax like dot symmetric difference. Here I will write s. Okay, what's the error? What I'm writing here is fine. So instead of this, I will write here len. I should write here len. Okay. Then I will write here what I will write here. I will write here value dot I. Correct. Okay, not I. Okay, again wrong. What why I will write I here? No, I required. I will write here s5. Then I will write here values. See whether it's working or not. Okay, again error. See what's the error here? So we are doing symmetric difference. Okay, and then we convert C into list. Then d dot sort. Okay, d dot sort we are doing. Okay, we don't need to store because this is what this is a list. So we do not need to store. Okay, our data. We don't need to store in some other variable. Just list, and I can simply write here S4 is sorted. And why I am writing this instead of this, what I will write here S4. Okay, S4 is sorted data, then I will print here value. Now let me run the code. Okay, it is successfully submitted. Okay, everyone, now not submitted but executed. Sorry for fumbling. So all test cases is running. Okay, let's check whether it's giving error or working fine. Okay, so it's working fine. Congratulations, the code has been submitted successfully. Okay. Okay. So here, so this is how you complete. You can understand the solution of this problem. Okay. Now we have mutable operations. Like intersection, union, and symmetric difference is what type? This is immutable operation, and this is mutable operation. Mutable operations like add element to set. Okay, we can add element into set with the help of add element. For example, we have set A, so we will print. So what will happen? That A will print, and this is how we can add in the value in the set. Okay, and here is a HackerRank problem. You can try this problem. Here is the output of this problem. Like input, and what we have to take input from the user, then we have to take set as a country. Like this is what empty set country, then we will take each country one by one. Okay, like this. See, removing element from set. So remove element. I will write here remove an element A. So remove element from the set. Raise key error if element is not containing in the set. Okay, so example A equals to, we have this elements. Okay, if I print A, so if this element will print A dot remove. So we have, if I remove 10, so 10 will remove successfully. Okay, so if element is not exist, and if you want to remove 10, so what error it will remove? It will show key error. If in set element is not present and that's element no, absent element you want to delete, so it will raise key error. And discard element, remove elements from the set if it is present. Remove element from the set if it is present. Okay, so what will happen? For example, we have email list. We have email list. Okay, we have email list, and here we have distinct element, distinct email. So if I write here set of email, so only unique email will come, no duplicate elements, because set does not allow duplicate value. So when I print, so all the unique element will print. Okay, email dot discard. So if I write here nk@gmail.com, so this email will discard from the list. Okay, and it will not raise any like this is a silently it will remove. It will not return anything. Just it will return. If I print set email set, so it will print these emails. Okay, if I say email set dot discard nk@gmail.com, so simply it will discard the element. Okay, if I write here pop, if I write here pop, so pop means what pop means? Pop remove element from the stack. Pop remove element from the stack. Okay, and pop is based on LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. Last in first out. So first it will return the element. Pop function first return the element, and then remove. Okay, first return and then remove. Correct. See, remove and return an arbitrary element from the set. Okay, raise key error if the set is empty. If set is empty, so it will return what? Key error. For example, we have set range is 10 to 60 and step value is 10. So 10, 20, 40, 50. If I print A, if I print A, so this element will print. Okay. So if I say A dot pop, so so last like it will pop the element like 40. If I print A, so element is popped. So first it will return, then it will pop. If we use clear method, so it will remove elements, all the elements from the set. It will remove all the elements from the set. So these are the elements in set. If I write s1 dot clear, so it will remove all the elements from the set. So now set is empty. Okay. So this is how we have completed this video lecture. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss more about sets. Okay. So thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Okay. Thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Okay, and always be happy. Okay, keep a smile your face always. All right, and also practice. Okay, practice is a key. Without practice, you will not gain confidence in coding. All the programming languages is best, but you need practice. If you will practice, the single programming language would be enough for your success. Okay, so practice everyone. Without practice, you cannot grow in Python or in any programming language. And whatever code you practice, just paste your code in the comment section of this video. Okay, that's all. Thank you everyone once again. Bye.